Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the previously asked question in 2008 based on ER model. So typical question, please focus carefully. What the things are given and what we supposed to do. So there is a M entity is given. So M is underlined as it is a strong entity. And there is a N entity is given as it is mentioned as a weak entity. Therefore, dotted lines are given. In this case, N is a weak entity. In this case, M is a strong entity. And two relationships are mentioned, relation 1 and relation 2. Relation 1 is this side M, this side 1. Relation R2 is this side 1 and this side M because arrow indicates 1, straight line indicates M. So he asks that how many number of tables required to represent M, N, P, R1 and R2 is how many tables we need. So we already know the rules of conversion of ER model to relational model. What are the rules? Strong entity to be created separately. Therefore, M is needed. So M needed M1 and M2 and M3. Also, we need weak entity, which is nothing but N. So N is based on N1, weak entity, that is a weak attribute, and N2. And what else is needed? So there is no requirement of separate table of R1 because it is a many to M. There is no requirement of separate table for R2 because it is 1 to M. Separate table we create only for M to M, which is known as associative entity. Then what we do is, so this P is a primary key in this case. So what we do is just to merge this relation with the M side and just to merge this relation with the M side. Therefore, you're supposed to add a few more attributes in other sides. As R1 is merged with M, so P1 will be joined here. Therefore, you need to add one more column here, P1. And now, as R2 is merged with the N side, and this P1 once again will be used here. Therefore, P1 will be coming. So that's it. This is how. And one more table is needed. P is a mandatory. There is a P1 and P2. So how many tables we need, my dear friends? 3 tables needed. So very typical question. The R1 and R2 are combined. One is at M side because it is a M2-1 relationship. R2 is combined with the M side because it is also 1 to M relationship. In this case, R2 is merged with N and R1 is merged with M.